So I'm going to move on to the lining panel right now, and I'll start with my zipper pockets. This is my zipper overlay, and I'm just trying to glue it to the main lining panel. So I'm going to measure 2 inch on the main line, on one of the main lining panels, and then set my zipper overlay at the center. It has to be at the center so that it doesn't look wonky or something. I remove that paper backing and then stick it down on the main lining panel. Now we'll take this to the sewing machine and sew around all the outer edge of this zipper overlay with 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. Now I'm sewing in my tags because I feel like this is just the right place it should be. So if you have your tag, you can sew it in at this stage. I'm going to take my scissors and cut on that zipper window. So now I'll take one of my zipper panels and then align my zipper tape right side on top. Then I will clip it in place. It has to be on the long edge, on one long edge of the zipper panel. So I'm going to sew this with 1/4 inch. And I will repeat the same thing for the second side of the zipper tape and another zipper pocket. So now I will install my zipper pull. Now I'm going to align a strap of DST along each long edge of the zipper tape. And now I'll take my main lining panel, the one that has the zipper overlay, and then set that zipper window on the zipper. And of course it has to be centered. I'm going to remove the second paper backing and align that bottom edge as well. Just make sure it's nicely laid out. I'll take this to my sewing machine and flip the pocket up. Then I will sew on that bottom edge alone, leaving the sides and the top edge. After that, I will flip my entire pocket down, then sew up one side edge, then across the top edge, and then down the other side edge. All these has to be 1/8 seam allowance, just make it look nice. So now I have it all done. I'm going to trim the longer zipper pocket to match the other one. Then I will sew everything in place.